Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Today, I have a new design team project for ASC Craft Supplies. I created this lovely trifold triple waterfall mini album, which was inspired by Annette Green. In today's video, I'm going to do a project review, and then I have a second video that will follow shortly that has a full tutorial and will walk you through step by step on how to make this project. The paper collection that I used is by Stamperia. It's called Winter Tales. This is a beautiful collection. This is available at ASC Craft Supplies. You can find them on the web or on their Etsy store. Please feel free to use my coupon code Robyn10 to receive a 10% discount upon checkout. Also, if you spend $75 or more, you will receive free shipping. This is a pretty sizable book. It measures 7.5 inches by 7.5 inches, and it has two spines, which measure 1.5. I love the way this turned out. I used black cardstock for the base, and I've double matted it with this white cardstock and, of course, this beautiful paper. On the side, I have a silk ribbon closure. I'm going to adjust my camera so that I can give you a closer look. On the front, I've done lots of layering. The first thing that I want to point out are these beautiful metal filigree paper edges. I ordered these from Amazon. I'll be sure to include a link in the description box below. And I've embellished it with these fun ice blue gems. And I've included these on several of the pages inside the book. In the center, we have this beautiful fairy, and I've surrounded her with this painted jute. And we have this gorgeous floral spray on the left side. I have lots of beautiful gemstones. Here we have a pearl iridescent gemstone with white rhinestones. We've got this beautiful blue flower here, and it's edged with gold sparkle. And of course, we have a variety of stamens here in blue and white. I really love the way this turned out. This is the side spine. And on this side, we have it closed with a 1.5 inch satin ribbon. And this is the back. I also used these filigree page corners on the back. I am going to put a little dedication on the back once I give this to the recipient. So let's take a look inside. On the left page, we have our first waterfall, and I've created this little magnetized flap to hold everything down. This is a chipboard piece from the collection. And here you can hold 11 photos. I've double matted each of the waterfall pages. Here we have a castle, and on the back, I've left it blank. On the alternating pages, I've included white cardstock. On the back cover, I've created this small side pocket, and I've just attached cut-aparts from the paper collection. You could also include a little note in here or a card if you like. On the next page, I've used more of these filigree page corners, and I've also embellished it with these ice blue gemstones. Here we have a little pocket, and I've used the 8x8 sheet to cut out these little cut-aparts. So there's lots of goodies that you can fit inside, and this is a 3-tiered pocket. On the bottom, I've added in these beautiful white poinsettias from the chipboard ephemera and this little heart here. On the next page, we have a pocket that we can insert another large photo here at the top. Again, I've adorned each of these inside pages front and back with these beautiful filigree page corners. Here you have the beautiful princess in the palace here on top. I've cut this little sentiment out from the 12 by 12 page collection, and it says, "Once in a while, right in the middle of an ordinary life, love gives us a fairy tale." I flanked this with these beautiful poinsettias. This is the back of the page. I love this vintage deer. And here I have a chipboard sticker that says, "Dreams come true." In the center, we have our second set of waterfalls. And again, we've got a chipboard piece here on the closure. And I've just covered these pages in alternating pattern paper and white paper. Here I did not use a pocket, but I plan to use this for another 4x6 photo. On the next pocket page, we have this beautiful wintry scene, and I have another large tag from the cut apart. It says Crea en la magia, which is believe in the magic. And I love this little reindeer here, and more of these fussy cut poinsettias on the bottom, and this chipboard blue jay. And again, this is a pocket. You can slide in more photos. This is the back side. I love this wintry blue scene. It says far, far away. This paper is just so gorgeous. On the last page, we have another chipboard piece here. I love the little blue jay here. It says Winter Tales. And then we have more 4x6 cut aparts. Now the great thing about these is all you have to do is stick a photo on top. I would encourage the recipient to leave these front covers alone so you can enjoy the beautiful paper. But on the back, all you have to do is glue your 4x6 on. And on the plain pages here with the white, these pages are 6 1/4 by 4 1/4. So if you put a 4x6 photo on it, it will have a nice little border. Got more poinsettias. And then here on the back, I've created another half pocket, and I have more cut aparts. Now that I've given you an overview of this triple tri-fold mini album, it's time to make it. Please join me for my next video where I walk you through step by step on how to create this project. You can also find a link to the tutorial in the description box below this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take time to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting. Thank you.